This is gonna be a short video today. I'm gonna talk about my best advice for you, how you can stay more consistent and earn more money by trading less. That's actually the tip. Less is more. Since I started trading only one trade per day in the London Open, 0900 Central European Time, I have actually gained a lot more profits than when I traded both London and New York session. I realized why is that? It's because let's say you have one trade per day. If you have one trade per day, you will be more selective with which trade you take. That's number one, because you only have one and then you have to wait for tomorrow. The other thing is, the second part is, if you only have one trade, there's no risk for two other things to happen. And that is, one, if you win a trade, you get overconfident. Yeah, I'm all that. It's so easy to make a trade. I can just place any trades I like and I will win it. And you don't do your analysis as you should. And you're overconfident. That's the best word. And you place another trade and you give back the profits that you earned from your first trade. So that is one thing that you get rid of by having the rule to trade only one trade a day. The second thing it does is, if you lose the first trade, there's something called revenge trading. And it's so easy. I just did a revenge trade here. It's not really a revenge trade, but I did a second trade today, but it's on my play account. It's a smaller account, $7,000 US, and I can bend the rules in this account. I know I can't do that. I had two funded accounts that I didn't do it on today, which I'm happy for. But on this trade, I just lost $700 US, and for the week I'm down 1,200. So I don't do green weeks every time. Sometimes I have bad weeks, but it's very rarely now that I have a losing week. Most often it's break even or in profit. And this is because I have this rule to trade only one trade per day. So by trading one trade per day, you are more selective, you do not revenge trade if you lose, and you are not overconfident taking stupid trades if you win. So yeah, take this advice, try it out for a week or two, and you will notice a slight difference in your performance. I can assure you that. Yeah, that's basically what I had today. I wish you a nice weekend, and I see you on the other side. Peace, guys.